Hello there, friends. It is your boy, the Goo Man, and today we're going to talk about hot flashes. This was a special request from a brand new TikTok subscriber. If you guys don't know, you can subscribe to my channel for exclusive content. It supports me, it supports my research, and it helps me keep stuff like this free. My weekly magazine. You can get your free copy now in the link tree in my bio. Also, if you would like to directly support me if my content has changed your life and you would like to change mine, you can keep me in stable housing on Venmo, Cash App, the PayPal, and GoFundMe under the Goo Man stem. It's also in the link tree in my bio. I'm paid through till tomorrow, so any help would be appreciated. So let's talk about hot flashes. Hot flashes normally associated with menopause. It has to do with the decreasing amount of estrogen in the body as somebody ages. But hot flashes can also be seen in people that have autoimmune diseases. And why is that? Because of estrogen's relationship with your blood sugar levels and viral infections. Depending on what source you pull, women suffer from autoimmune diseases at either a twice as likely rate or an 8 times higher rate due to this connection between insulin, estrogen, and viral replication that drives autoimmune disease presentations. I'll post my papers below like I usually do for my nerds and my providers, but estrogen is at the core of how a lot of our metabolism runs in our body. Modulates insulin secretion, modulation of energy partition, functional protection through antioxidant mechanisms, so that's ROS, radical oxygen species, if you've ever heard eating fruit, and radical free oxygen, that's this. I talk about on my page all the time about how viruses like the Herpelderpels family and Epstein-Barr use this excess metabolism that estrogen drives to replicate in your body and cause areas of inflammation. Like if we're talking mast cell activation, it's the rashes. If we're talking rheumatoid arthritis, it's going to be in the joints and in the lymphatic system. So estrogen regulates like way too much in your body, specifically too on how your immune system works. And how does it cause hot flashes? In fact, I kind of feel like I'm having one right now. I'm a little bit dewy, but how does it cause hot flashes? So you have this piece of your brain called the hypothalamus, and the hypothalamus is like the control center that runs all of the stuff that your body does when you're not paying attention, right? So what your heartbeat is, what your temperature is, your balance, your blood pressure, your insulin levels, all sorts of stuff. And when estrogen gets out of whack, whether you get too much of it or as you get older you get too little of it, it'll cause temperature fluctuations by affecting its receptors within the hypothalamus and causing vasodilation and vasoconstriction to adjust the temperature of your body based on these wonky fluctuations. You even get this with insulin too. Like if you've ever been hypoglycemic like me and you have to eat every couple hours, you get real sweaty if you don't eat. You can get a little crazy, but you can start to sweat. It's also the same thing that you get when you get a vasovagosyncope, right? So if you're standing and then you get all sweaty and then your vision goes black and you fall over. I've had a couple of those. So it's really interesting how it works in your brain. I did a free post on my Splatreon that kind of talks about some of the phytochemicals that you can use to deal with hot flashes, whether you're going through menopause or have autoimmune diseases. But there are things that you can do, right? For stress management, exercise, you can take, natural supplements. But yeah, that's why you have hot flashes. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how microplastics kind of fit into that fun Venn diagram that I always talk about with autoimmune diseases and this fun stuff. So stay tuned, strap in, and I'll see you next time.